Okay, so for my demonstration, I'm going to be showing you how to get to a website I would use for teaching elementary education, physical education, sorry. This is a website that you can use at school and also at home, so parents could use this tutorial to get to where they need to be so that them and their children can have just a good fun time at home also. So the website I'm going to use is called Go Noodle, and it is like it's a free website, and usually when you go to it for the first time, it'll ask you if you're going into it as a for family or educator purposes. So obviously if you're at home, you're going to want to click the family one versus like the educator one that I would be using to teach my class. This would be like grade school, probably K through 6th, preschool through 6th grade. So once you get to this site, it kind of has like the new ones that are up. These are just kind of like little, some of them are dance numbers, some of them are how-to videos, some of them are like, just, good fun things to get you moving. Okay, so you're going to come to the site, and this is kind of what it looks like. There's a search here, so if your kid is trying to like show you one, then you can always click here to search. You can scroll down and it'll show you featured ones, featured in schools. So we're just going to go here. These are, excuse me, some of just like the little channels, like that. Like here we have Zumba, Kids Bob, Fresh Start. A lot of the popular ones that I see being used is this Moose Tube. So if you click on it, it'll bring up a lot, like all of the Moose Tube videos. So any of them with this moose, his name is Fabio. He is one of my favorites. But then you just pick whichever one you want. I'll go to this one. And it'll just load it right up for you and get you started. So that's how you do that.